Chef Buck here, and today we're going to cook up a super healthy and delicious Mediterranean quinoa dish. It's an awesome grain, but it's not really grain, it's a seed. I use it in almost every dish that I can use rice, I can use quinoa. Alrighty, so we're just going to rinse our quinoa, polish it up. We got 1 cup of quinoa. Going to throw it in a saucepan, and to that I'm going to add 2 cups of water, because you want to do a 1-to-2 ratio. We're going to throw a little bit of salt in there, and we'll add some salt later as well. But I'm going to turn this up on high heat and, get it going into a boil. This is a little dried thyme and oregano and basil. So we'll go ahead and toss that in there. Boom. I'm going to cover it up. While our quinoa is coming to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and take a skillet and I'm going to heat me up a little bit of olive oil. We're going to saute some onions here. I got 1 medium-sized onion here. I used just half a large one. It looks like my quinoa has come to a boil. So I'm going to go ahead and reduce that down to low, cover it up and let it simmer away for 15 minutes. And while that's going on, we're going to saute up our onions. So I got some minced garlic. I got like 3 cloves of garlic right here. So I'm going to put most of it in here. Boom, boom, boom. Most of that garlic's going in there. And then I'm going to save this. I'm going to reserve this for later because I'm going to put a little raw garlic in with the salad too. So quinoa's been going for about 7 minutes. It's looks like the water's being absorbed in there, but I'm going to go ahead and throw a little bit of salt and pepper in here with my sauteing onions so that they'll have a little bit of flavor. Alrighty, so there you go. Boom. Just season up your onions a little bit while they're sauteing. And we'll give this quinoa another 7 minutes. We've had it simmering on low. Go ahead and turn it off. Alrighty, so look at that. See, the water has been absorbed and our quinoa is nice and ready. Now normally you would just leave this alone and let it sit for a minute, but we're going to go ahead and add some spinach. We're going to add spinach while it's hot because we want our greens to wilt. This is about 2 cups of fresh spinach chopped up, and it looks like a lot, but that's mostly air. It's going to get folded into this quinoa, and then the heat of this quinoa is going to wilt it up. And along with the spinach, I got like a 1/4 cup of fresh basil right here. And this is going to be a great flavor. Get your basil and your spinach mixed in there and let it wilt up in here, with the heat from the quinoa. We're going to go ahead and throw our onions in there too. And this is actually quite a little bit of onion. You don't have to use this much onion, but I like onion. If you're not a fan of the garlic, you don't have to use garlic, but I like garlic. So we're going to go ahead and throw this in here as well. Now we got a few more things to add, but we'll go ahead and let it cool down for a few minutes. Right now it's pretty hot, so I don't want to put the tomato or cheese in here right now because I don't want it to melt up and be a big lumpy mush. So we'll let it cool down, let it sit with the onion and the spinach and the basil in it for about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. We'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and add a few more ingredients. First thing, boom. A little bit of vinegar. Use any kind you like. I'm just using rice vinegar, a little mild kind of vinegar. Boom. I'm going to throw a little bit more salt in there just because I got a feeling. Then I'm going to add in that little bit of minced garlic that I had that I didn't saute up with the onions. A little bit of raw garlic because I love raw garlic in quinoa salads. Now this is some cherry tomatoes. Just got them split in half. Because it's got the skin, they're going to stay together. So it's a great component in a salad. And then finally a little bit of feta cheese. And also be aware when you put in your salt that the feta cheese is also going to have salt in it. And you can put anywhere between 1/2 cup and 1 cup of feta cheese. I got about 3/4 of a cup right here. Well, probably closer to 1 cup actually. Now we're going to stir it up. Boom. Very easy to make Mediterranean style quinoa salad. Super delicious, super healthy. We're getting on the health wagon.
What the heck are these?
It's got a hole in it. Look at that. That's air. How unhealthy can that be? You need air to live.